first of all, as a team of engineers, we wanted to fulfill a much more healthier lifestyle for all. We designed a fitness tracker for users to track their health updates on a daily and on the go, whether they are outside of the country or they are at work. And this is known as Vitalink. Okay. So this is our topology, and from here we can see our two LANs over here, LAN 1 and LAN 2. And we can see here our ISP DNS servers, our MLS, our ISP Office server, and two of our modems corresponding to each of our LANs over here. We can see our OSPF routers over here. Um, I meant routing protocol over here. It consists from count 7 all the way to count 19. And we can see here our database servers and our workstations and our wireless router over here that controls all all our IT devices in our office over here. Okay. So we'll be starting off looking at the routing tables over here. So we look in the magnifying glass. This LAN 1 only consists of IPv4, so no IPv6 configured over here. So but we look at the routing table over here. We can see our 10.2.2.0, 10.2.2.40, 10.2.2.41, which is in this area right here. 10.2.2.4 is one of our count 4 in this area that's routed here, connected to our internet ports, VLAN ports, or all our physical interface. And looking at the home router over here, we have a routing table over here, and we can see all our OSPF routing here, which is working perfectly. 10 to all from 10.2.7 to 10.2.19, connected all to the gigabit Ethernet ports, physical interface. And if we look at here, IPv6, same thing as IPv4, but as the name goes, it's the IPv6 version of it. Okay. And now we're going to be using the ping feature in our CPT. Also, we can also look at the ARP table for our external and internal IoT servers. You can see here 10.2.19.1 for both. This is our IP address for our MLS server that's connected to the fast Ethernet 0. And one of our crucial parts of our devices, because it will be able to route all the IP packets through the database server. Okay, so we're going to be doing IPv4 testing first. We will do simple PDU, going from the smartphone of LAN 1 of Sarah all the way to the external, sorry, successful ping, and internal as well. We can also check out the router over here, be able to ping over there and over there, all successful. ICMP is the type of IPv4 pings, and then we can also check out, we can do IPv6 here, and then check out the IPv4 of Jeff's PC over here. There you go, successful. Successful in the internal as well. We can also do the router as well. Successful. Successful both of those. We can do, and for the IPv6, we're going to be doing the complex PDU. Or we could also, well, for the Cisco router, we can also do the CLI version. But we're pinging from just PC. So we just copy that. Create a complex PDU. Destination IP. We don't need to put source IP because we only have one IPv6 destination. Series number is 1. 1 for fast travels. Successful. Check out the internal version. Oops. Complex PDU. Oh, nothing. Leave that blank. Create a PDU. There you go. Oh, this is IPv4, sorry. But you can also do IPv4 with the complex PDU, by the way. 1, 1, creepy, successful. Both 51 and 52, IPv6. Okay, so now we're going to be doing the simulation mode. So starting from Sarah's phone, I'm going to be adding this filter. ICMP first. You can, well, we don't have to do IPv6 because no IPv6, only IPv4. So we're going to be pinging from Sarah's phone all the way to both the internal and external. So we're going to play that. Fast forward, it's going to go to gateway, to our modem, all through the count 4, which is the cable, DSL cable, which is the the cloud MLS, our first MLS, through the OSPF. Sometimes it goes down, sometimes it goes up to see which is the best routing destination. It goes down because it is the fastest area, which is count 16, all the way from west to east. We can zoom in here. I mean southwest and southeast to our east router, through our Vitalink MLS, through our switch, and goes to our external. Alright, and then it's going to be sending messages back to our customer. Goes down, goes to our ISP West, our cloud, modem, gateway, and to our smartphone device. Okay. Okay, and then now we can reset the simulation, delete this, and we're going to be doing the internal server now. Alright, same thing, same destination as before. It's able to go there. I can just reset this again. I don't know why it's happening. And then, okay, internal server now. Same thing that happened earlier with our external, which is our server. Perfectly fine. In progress. Still in progress though. Fast forwarding, and it goes to our smartphone. Perfect. Successful. Alright. Now we're going to be testing the Just in this device. Okay. We can check ICMP and ICMP v6 and ICMP because it supports both of those protocols. Right? We're going to do external first. It goes up. Goes to the northeast router. And goes down for the best routing area. And successful. Successful routings. Okay, and then we can go ahead and do the internal. Okay. Same destination. Goes up to our OSPF area. MLS, switch, goes to internal, sends back the messages, goes up in this area right here, and later goes to just PC. And successful ping as well. Alright, and as we are done with our simulation, that pretty much concludes our IPv4 and IPv6 testing ping test for this section. And thank you very much.